Hi, my name's Julie. I'm also Cooper's grandma, and I'm also a nurse. And I'm here because we need some help. This is Nurse John, and Nurse John has to give a patient some IV fluid. And he does this through this IV bag. And you may ask then, what is an IV bag? Well, it's a bag full of a certain kind of water with vitamins and minerals. And this kind of water helps people feel better when they're sick and when they're in the hospital. Okay, and you might ask, well, how do you give that water? Well, we give it through veins. So if you don't know what a vein is, or if you want to see your own veins, hold your hand out in front of you and look at your hand. You'll see ridges like this, or look at your arm. And those are the veins. And anyways, that's where the IV bag with the water, the special kind of water, it has a tube and then it runs into a vein. You might ask if that hurts, and no, it doesn't. Okay. Oh, this is Cooper. He says, hi, my name is Cooper, and I feel so much better with this IV. All right, well, let's go over here and look here. So this is an IV bag, and it has 1,000 big drops of water. Okay, well, Nurse John needs to give Cooper 400 drops. And what Nurse John wants to know is then how much is left in the bag. So, what is 1,000 drops of water minus 400 drops? So if you could help John figure that out, that would be great. Just let your teacher know. Okay, wait a minute here. This is a different IV bag. So now the doctor and the nurse decided that Cooper needs 450 more drops of water to feel good. So what we have here is 675 drops of water in this IV bag, and we want to give Cooper 450. So how much is left in the bag right here? So to find that out, we know that we have to subtract we have to take 665 drops of water, and we minus or subtract 450 drops of water to find out how much is in here. So if you could figure that out with your teacher, that would really help Nurse John. Thank you.